gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Motorola G85 5G was recently launched in the UK and global markets. It is considered one of the best mid-range phones, featuring a fast refresh rate, curved POLED display, a powerful mid-range 5G processor, a superb design, a large battery, and much more. Today, I will share the unboxing and first impressions of the Motorola G85 5G. In China, this phone was launched as the rebranded Motorola S50 Neo. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Moto S50 Neo box, launched globally as the G85 5G. Inside the box, we have a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, a 33-watt power adapter, and a good quality clear case. Here is the Motorola G85 5G phone. This time, the phone looks stunning with a thin and lightweight body. The color here is cobalt blue, but it also comes in urban gray and olive green. In this price segment, it's the best-looking phone with a stylish design. The phone has an ultra-slim 7.5mm curved body and weighs around 171 grams. The screen bezels are just 1.67mm thin, giving it a premium feel with its curved display. It features a 6.7-inch POLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 1600 nits brightness, 10-bit color support, and DCI-P3 color gamut. It also supports full DC dimming and has SGS Dual Eye Care certifications. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The best part of this phone is its strong battery life. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt charging support. It features the new generation Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 5G processor, built on a 6nm platform with a max clock speed of 2.2 GHz. The phone also includes a new high-strength, high-thermal conductivity heat dissipation system using aluminum alloy materials for better heat management. The phone offers powerful performance, allowing you to play games on medium settings without any lag. Games like King of Glory run very smoothly. As for the camera, it has a flagship-level main camera with a 50-megapixel Sony LIT600 sensor, featuring optical image stabilization and autofocus. You can check out the camera samples for more details. Talking about the price, the Motorola G85 5G with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage starts at £299 in the UK, which is around $384 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone has a superb design and is lightweight, providing a good in-hand feel. It also offers great battery life and a superb display. So, what do you guys think about the Motorola G85 5G? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. See you in the next one.